8. We just went short on GBPUSD. Low key, this is pretty risky because of the resistance we got. Hold on, this trade's not gonna play out, dude. Oh my gosh. Yo, chicken nut. Oh my gosh! Oh, I lost $150 too. Oh my gosh. Right. Right. We'll get her. No sell. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Literally revenge trading, bro. Like, I'll see what we close, and then, like, I'll just kind of keep my stop loss trailing here. I'll just keep trailing my stop loss, like, genuinely, because I want to see, like, I'll just keep moving my take profit and trailing my stop loss. All right. Well, bang. That pretty much sums it up for today. That was, oh my gosh, genuinely insane. Euro is moving. I'll open this up. Euro is moving pretty bearish here, because that was about like here on like 312 when Euro's down here, likely to sweep these lows out. So I'm like, okay, Euro's moving pretty bearish here. We'll probably go short, and then we close short here, and then looking at this, I'm like, oh, Euro didn't get the actual close out of the gap. I'm actually gonna exit this position and I'll re-enter short if Euro closes out of the gap. We close out of the gap at 312 right here. I re-enter short here, but because this trade is a little worse, yeah, you really kind of have to like tighten your stops. But since I was a little late to enter this trade, I got an entry like somewhere in the middle here, so it was 1-to-1 risk reward. So we were chilling on the entry, but after that we start pumping higher, and then in the next two candles after that, Euro's going higher, and like 317, like Euro's ripping all the way up here. So then I think at about that time, I just back out of this trade. I exited somewhere like break even here when price was starting to go higher. Like when price came back down here, I think I got out of break even or something, or like right here, like 317. And then I re-entered short off of this, but because by here risk reward's way too high, I tightened my stops above these highs. And then price barely wicked me out here to stop me out. And then after that, I lost money. Then I was like, geez, bro, this sucks. I'm down a crap ton of money. And then I just went, and after we started like pumping lower here, I just like it was like this candle here at like 328, Euros candle at like 328 here, and then like the next candle was like, okay, yeah, we're like getting massive displacement. I'm not waiting for a retracement because I doubt we're gonna get it. I'm gonna go short. Like I thought we still could have gotten it, but I just went short. And yeah, it was like somewhere within like this candle body, I went short, and then take profit should have been here, but then I literally after these were swept, I trailed my stops to here, and then we ripped lower, so I put my stops below the lows, and then we kept ripping lower. And then once we ripped like lower down here below this low, I trailed my stops below here, and then I like since we're up like $2,000, almost 1,000, I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop loss until we like end up like stopping us out here, and then I'll just take profits wherever. And then eventually price, like my stops are below here, candle went higher, and then we just kept going lower, but it's fine because on this move lower we made like $1,800, wiping out that loss and putting us up on the day at about so 820, so $835 we made today. That wipes out our 200 we're down on the week, putting us up $600 on the week. Could have actually been up a lot more money today had we actually not been idiots. But like yeah, today was more of a like a very discretionary trading day. Um, the good moves we made today was not entering short too early because we definitely could have just easily gone higher. However, we were the better indexes short because we were sweeping out more lows on GBP. And as you can see, that did end up following suit because GBP swept out like 4 1-hour draws on liquidity, while Euro ended up just sweeping out only one because it was the leading index for longs. Euro is definitely important though. But yeah, real discretionary trading day today. Yeah, just needed to not be as emotional, and clearly that's what's keeping me back from being profitable. Even though I can still manage to like predict price action, I mean no, but like genuinely, if I'm being honest, when I re-entered in this trade here, I was just guessing. Anyways, boys, I talked a lot during this trade recap, but that will do it for today. So we walked away with $835 today. Pretty solid day. Did mess up though because I was being really emotional when I was in my trades today, but still managed to walk away with a winning day. Really could have played the markets a lot better today had I just stayed in my trade literally throughout the entire day. But anyways, I will see you boys tomorrow on Friday. Hopefully we could take just like a nice solid clean win with some clean price action, putting us up like a solid amount in the week and probably getting out of this monthly drawdown that we're in. On the month, I think we're probably down a little over 1K. I haven't tallied up in a while, so I'm not sure. But anyways, I will see y'all tomorrow.